I believe human rights are the basic need for housing, work, employment, and to be treated fairly by businesses and corporations without being taken advantage of solely because they know you don't have the money to fight for your rights.
I think that people should have affordable housing. They should have, basically affordable housing, the right to work and collect a salary.
I have a right to be able to live in a low-income place to meet my income status. I should be able to have my wife living back with me, not sitting there saying, well, she makes too much money and you got to spend more money on rent. And all these things above. I just being torn apart by the system, and it's not fair.
To be hard for a job. That's one thing that I would say. I have a right to at least eat. Food is a right. I have a right to live. I mean, I have a right to be treated as a human being.
Being able to have the things that you need to survive, not that you want to survive. The right to housing, food, education, healthcare.
Wow, that put me on the spot. Human rights. Humans have the right to live, for starters. I mean, just the right to have a roof over their head, to to have food in their mouth. A right to housing. A right to health care. Inexpensive health care. Right for food, to have food in their in their houses for to eat. The right for their personal hygiene items, because a lot of people can't afford those, and right for prescriptions, and I know some people like my mom is on a fixed
the
income.
human rights are entitled to get protection by the law and get the proper health care when they have any need or situation. The right as a human being is, I think, that come to my mind is take care of the need of the people or your fellow citizens.
Poor people, homeless people, things of this nature get violated more so because they know they can't fight back.
People is fortunate, and not about the unfortunate, because the unfortunate is the ones that get walked on, ones denied of benefits, denied being able to have a place and live again. We live in the richest country in the world. We got more homeless people in the world there is. And at this time, if I wouldn't live in the transitional home, I'd be homeless right now myself.
Everybody has these human rights, but it's like poor people or homeless people seem to get skipped over when it comes to these human rights, because they either don't speak up, don't know how to speak up, or don't know who to speak up to. And they get trampled over and left out.